Well, the secret is out on my Pico de Gallo. I'm going to share it. I use 6 to 8 Roma tomatoes. I cut them in half, and I do thin slices here so I can get them nice little cubes sizes. Just like that, so they're nice little bits. Already got 6 in here. And I cut them on a wooden board. Do you know why? So I get all the juices. All the juices go right in the bowl. That. You only need a medium white Spanish onion, but this one was huge, so I cut it in half. Dice that onion up. Throw it in here with the tomato. And a cup of chopped fresh cilantro. Cup of fresh chopped cilantro. Teaspoon lemon juice. Teaspoon of lime juice. And 1 teaspoon of sea salt. This says fine sea salt. So I sprinkle the salt in it while I'm cutting up all the veggies. So
I thought you were recording this now.
I am. Uh-huh. And this lime juice is new, so it's a little trick to open it. Well, some people do just lime juice. They use lime and lemon. Uh-huh. Very good. Yummy.
Gotta keep the cook's lips moist.
My partner in crime in the kitchen and on the grill is making sure I stay hydrated. So there's a teaspoon of lime. Now this is better the next day. You can eat it the same day, but it's better the next day. And then lemon juice. Some people just use lime juice. I use lime and lemon. Teaspoon of lemon. You put too much of the juice in there, what happens is it gets real soggy. And then there's a teaspoon of grated garlic. Actually, fresh garlic. Show you what I use. I use minced garlic. A teaspoon of minced garlic. So I put the minced garlic in here with the onion and the beginning of the tomatoes and the cilantro. Let it start to soak into there. And after everything's cut up and put together in the bowl, you can, like I said, you can eat it right away, but if you let it sit for at least a couple hours, you get more of the garlic taste through it. And just so you see, that is what it looks like. And this that's some good Pico de Gallo. And it hasn't even been sitting for that long. Here, try this. Just right.
It needs a tad of diced serrano chilies.
Oh, he wants heat in it.
Just a tad.
Just a tad. Okay, well, let's see if I got some serranos from our garden from last year. I believe I should. Some in here. Wait, I think that's them back there. Yep, that's them. Excuse me. You don't want any serranos, crazy cat. Take one of these guys out of here. These are from our garden. So we'll take just one. They pack a punch. They have just the right amount of heat, as we call it. I'm going to dice it up real fine. The juices from it will get in there. That's why I use a wooden cutting board, because all the juices kind of like sit on top of the wood. And you go right into the bowl. Get rid of that stem. And you can't have any. I got a cat that thinks she's supposed to eat everything we have on the table. Like that. Give it a good stir. That piece is a little bit too big. I'll shred it with my fingers. Okay. This might need 2 of them. Let's see. Yeah, it's going to be a 2-pepper deal. And 1 more. That was kind of small anyway. Grab another one. Oh, there you go. Come out. There we go. That. This, if you're gonna put some heat in your pico de gallo, you want to make sure you have it finely chopped up. And I mean super small. Some people can't handle the heat on these. It's a different kind of heat. It has a very, very tasty flavor. I put these in our refried beans, and oh my goodness, these are great in refried beans. Put that in there. Now if that makes it too hot, I just add some more tomato. That's a little trick. Some people will put jalapenos in their pico de gallo. We prefer serranos. Alright, let's see how that works. Come here. Get my taste tester over here. Okay, I can give him a little piece of purple. Come on, up there. All right. I'll give it a whack.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's just enough.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't think we'd need any more.
No, you don't.
Nope. So that's it. Pico de gallo with serrano peppers.